Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make maze game using Scratch. So first I'll just save the Scratch cut to like 20, like 30. Next I need to add controls. When flag clicked, forever. If then, key depressed. Change X by 10. Everybody now if then key A pressed. And now duplicate these. This one is for key W pressed. This one move it up. Change Y by -3. Well, let me change this. Anyways, now I've got some simple controls set up. Now it's time to actually make the maze. Okay, this maze isn't very good, but it's still something. Now, I want to do that if it touches this, then it will restart from the beginning. Since the start of the maze is here, I'll go here. Now, if it's touching, I'll just say if it's touching the color black, if it's touching the color black, then go here. Or I could just say if it's touching sprite 2, which is the name of the maze, then go back to the start. Let me go through the maze, see if it's actually possible. It isn't. But anyways, finally I'll make the scene that you reach at the end of the maze. So now I'll simply make a purple circle. I'll put it here. I'm going to fix the maze. make it easier, to make it possible, I mean. Now I want to that if you're touching the circle, so I get some points. When flag clicked forever, firstly I'll make it to go here. If then it's touching this, then I want to transition to something that says U1. So I'll make text that says U1. Wait, let me set the field to black. I make some text that says U1 and make it much bigger. This looks this rudimentary, so it's not very high quality. I make a new variable called win for all sprites. Set win to 1. Set win to true. And here set win to false. If then forever. Alright, and if then else. If win is equal to false, then hide else show. I'll do this forever. Then let me actually try doing this. Oh, whatever. Let me just drag the scratch cards here. Whoops. We need to add, I'm going to add this statement to all the other sprites. I want to change to win if win equals true. So I'll drag scratch cards here. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Obakwood. Bye.